Welcome back to the Secret Code Podcast. I'm your host, Eric Weisman, and today we're going to be doing a live test stream of the new NFT raffle we've been teasing for SEFI called Revealed Network. We'll also be giving away 5,000 SEFI to people who participated in their giveaway. They're going to be giving away 5,000 else later this week. But if you haven't minted a ticket yet, it is exciting. It's going well. We already reached the minimum threshold of 100 tickets. And again, 100% of the winning SEFI will go to the jackpot winner. So today we've got a couple guests on. We're going to test it live. We're going to show you guys using the order book, how the reveal process works, really everything. It's sped up. It's going to be done on testnet. But if you guys want to play along, we're going to drop the links as we go, and you guys can get involved too, and hopefully win. So yeah, let's get it rolling, guys.
And ideas expressed in this podcast are not to be considered representative of any other parties affiliated with the Secret Network. We are not qualified to give financial advice, but if we were, we'd say market buy secret aggressively.
For the community, by the community.
So our first contestant we're introducing today, you may know him as the CEO of Secret Swap, founder of the Secret Swap Committee, and never been on my show before, that's for true. And that is Ethan Wood. Ethan, welcome to the show for the first time ever.
Yeah, right. Great.
We had a guy with very strong resemblance before named Iowa Scarrow one time, but welcome. You excited to play? You gonna try to win?
Absolutely.
All right, and then core developer of Revealed Network, also a core developer on Secret Swap. Man does absolutely everything. Fantastic contract dev, and the guy who actually built this out, Fabio. Fabio, welcome, bro.
Hey, how are you?
Awesome. And Fabio's not here on video, but he is here with us in spirit and audio.
Yeah.
You guys ready to get this rolling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So to start, welcome, Leonard. Seeing you guys start to come in here with the comments and the chats. We'll be dropping links as we go. We're going to walk you through the whole process of connecting. And if you guys want to play this on testnet, we'll show you how to connect your wallet to Pulsar 2 or testnet. And we could even send you guys some testnet SEFI if we need to. So first up, to see the actual site, it is called revealed.network. This is where it's live right now. You can go ahead and check that link. If you use 1,000 real SEFI to purchase a ticket, and the raffle section will go for a full week, as does the minting section. And so that will start on Monday, and we can mint tickets up until then. To do this testnet, the testnet site is going to be here. Dropping this link right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click this link and go there. Oh, I hit it. One sec. I'll share my screen in a second. All right. So, which window is this?
I'm gonna buy all the tickets while you're messing around.
You jerk. All right, so I'm sharing my screen. We've got reveal.network. It's the testnet page. It's asking me to connect my Kepler wallet. Let's refresh this. Requesting connection to Pulsar 2. I'm using a wallet that I don't usually use, so it's not connected yet.
It's not showing that on the stream.
Yeah, I'm doing the window only. That makes sense. One sec.
It's all good.
There we go.
Perfect.
And I've now connected my Kepler wallet. And I don't have any testnet secret or SEFI. Oh, guys, we have one more contestant to introduce you to. The man, the myth, the legend. He is most known for being both offensively British and never, ever winning one of the raffles, even in testnet. And that is Benji. Benji, welcome to the show.
Hello, everybody. Hi.
Welcome, sir.
Much like
Good
Fabio,
evening.
he doesn't really exist, which is why they're not on camera, but he is here with us in audio and spirit.
I'm the black screen of death or something. I don't know.
So we're gonna
guys.
So once you click the link to get here on the testnet site and connected your wallet, you're going to click Get Started with Reveal.network. That should prompt making a viewing key. But, oh no, I don't have any testnet secret to make it. So, one second. So we're going to go to the link for the testnet faucet. And Joe, can you drop this in the chat?
Good man.
What a guy. I am mostly not a robot.
Mostly.
Here in this tutorial wallet, and to see the Pulsar 2, you have to click at the top where it says Secret Network and scroll all the way down. Pulsar 1. It's actually Pulsar 2, but anyways, this is the address you're going to want to use. I might have been a robot. Okay, I should have 100 testnet secret. And then we'll need some nice person to send testnet SEFI for this. So if you guys are playing along, Go ahead and you can drop an address here in the comments, and we'll have somebody send you some testnet SEFI. I just so happen to have very, very many.
Just a few, right? Just a few C5s.
Billions of testnet SEFI.
You're Luigi.
I'll go ahead and send myself a measly 10 million for these intents and purposes.
Just a quick 10 mil.
And if you guys don't know that Luigi has over 4 billion SEFI, despite the fact that there's a total supply right now of 1 billion, yeah, now you know.
Great.
All right, so it should be here now. So let's open this wallet. Oh, wrong one. That's my billions.
Nice. You're not a robot.
Let's open this wallet. Okay, now I have to make a viewing key for it. Perfect. So let's go back to this site. I should be able to make the viewing key now for the testnet, and it only requires one viewing key to play this game perennially. Because Fabio, how exactly do you make that contract so awesome?
Yeah, so basically it's a centralized contract that all the other contracts connect to it. So they ask the viewing key there. So it's just a centralized contract with the viewing keys. Yeah.
Sweet. And yeah, so all of the future raffles, even though they're different raffles, will go back and check that one viewing key. So you make one, you can see all of them. Now I'm going to click this little key next to SEFI. And that will make my SEFI testnet viewing key. And I've got 10 million SEFI. And so now we can mint some tickets. So let's go ahead and go on here. And I'm going to buy the tickets. They're 1,000 SEFI each. And I'm going to buy 20 of them with my testnet SEFI. And again, the gas prices are pretty low, and you can mint a bunch in bulk. Hey, so I bought 20, so that would have raised the jackpot to 20,000. Somebody else must have just bought 33. Which one of you culprits did it?
I wonder who would have done such a thing.
Yeah, anything with 3, 6, or 9 in it is you. So I have 20 tickets.
Such allegations, sir. I will not stand for such allegations.
So I have 20 tickets. Ethan has 33 tickets. Fabio, Benji, you guys getting in?
Yeah, I will buy 40.
He's going to buy all the tickets.
I'm trying to, but at the moment I'm getting get started with. Are we on Revealed Network?
No, we're on the testnet page.
Can you tell me or send me the address, please?
Absolutely,
I'm
sir.
Failing.
One second.
Nearly here.
Sorry, guys. He's new here.
I'm absolutely a noob right now. This is awful.
I'm Benji. I joined streams late. No, I dropped it to you on Telegram right now, bro.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
And we do have it here in the comments as well, commented by host.
I can't even see you at the moment. I've got like 14 billion tabs open, kind of as much as I have SEFI in my dev wallet. And so disorganized right now. It's like, oh gosh, horrendous.
Oh snap! So now 192 tickets have been purchased. Fabio's going all out. All right, I feel insecure. I need to buy another 4 tickets. 24 tickets is all I need, Kobe.
7 minutes left. Okay.
And so again, this is a sped up version, so all the reveals are going to be 3 minutes apart. Whereas in reality, and I'll go over the docs in just a little bit, in reality you have 1 week to mint the tickets, and then the reveals are about 12 hours apart. So let's go ahead and go over the docs real quick. Benji, able to get your tickets yet?
I'm just about to. I'm looking at buying a hefty 300 tickets. Oh, when I've got 300 tickets.
Oh, man.
I'm not even sure. I just put a big amount.
I think he really wants to win.
Oh,
so
snap.
Winning so many times.
I shouldn't have even given away my strategy there.
I'm going to take all your money yet again.
Yet again. I know. I've been terrible at this game so far. It's not even difficult to play. It's super simple. It's just that I'm just really bad.
So again, I'll drop in Restream here, the Secret Network tweet that announced the giveaway. and a lot of the links to their documentation and stuff are here inside that. So I'm gonna go in there and find their documentation page. It's on the let's see, it's on the 4th one of their tweet thread. Let's go ahead and drag it over here.
Numero quattro.
All right, so we're here on the stream and going over the overview. It is a zero-sum NFT game, meaning that 100% of the SEFI that comes in goes out to the winner. So a lot of people are like, oh, I don't like gambling. And sure, I guess this is gambling. That being said, it's not like the house is taking a cut. It's kind of similar to the lottery, but the lottery will also burn and like be staking and everything. This just 100% of the SEFI that comes in, that gets minted, goes to the winner. And we're hoping operational costs are covered by the 2.5% royalties in secondary sales, because as NFTs, you can sell them.
Right.
The timeline for the actual game is 7 days to mint. That's what's going on right now. If you go to reveal.network, we started minting yesterday, and last I checked, 157 tickets have been minted so far. But yeah, it will in the future, there will always be a raffle going. And so as soon as Monday hits and we start the raffle process, then mint is done. Once the raffle starts, then we can start minting tickets for the next week's raffle. And then every week there's a raffle going on, and you can always mint for the new one. So we go through the breakdown of it, and they kind of explained how the reveals work. And so again, in the real game, it's every 12 hours, and then they throw in one extra an hour before the final reveal. And this model's done with if 1,000 tickets get minted, but it'll work for 100 plus, which is why they have a minimum threshold for 100 tickets to start the round. If you mint tickets and the 100 isn't reached, which shouldn't be an issue, but if it is, then it'll just delay the start of the raffle. And yeah, we'll go through and we'll show you guys in the live exactly how this works as they're revealed to be losers. Because there is a marketplace which allows secondhand sales. We'll be putting in buy orders. We can sell to the buy orders. And in the Discord, Joe, if you could drop a link to the Discord here in the chat. In the Discord, they also have like price discussion rooms, a war room where you can get on voice call and yell at people or do whatever you got to do. And try to get people to place those buy orders in and cash out whenever you want. Because if you don't survive the next reveal step, your ticket's worth 0. But if you do survive, your ticket's worth more. And the buy order thing will only work for non-revealed tickets, which means that if a ticket loses, you can't sell it. So the buy orders are safe, but you have to make sure you keep raising them because you can only have one buy order in at a time. And they have an Alter account, which is wonderful. We're trying to make Alter the default communication method for all of Secret Network and the world. And so I like that they're holding to it. So again, it is a provably fair NFT game that will have 100% of the money going to the winner, but a whole bunch of drama and secondary market sales and stuff until then. So back here on the testnet, we've got 2 minutes and 45 seconds until it goes live. Fabio, what do you have for us? Anything you want to add?
Yeah, that's it. You explained it right. Yeah.
I would like to point out that this fake raffle that we're doing is now a Poseidon maker.
Yes. So if we have 1,000 plus tickets, then the jackpot will be over 1 million. And when it's over 1 million or 1 million or higher, it means whoever wins it will get 1 million SEFI, which puts you in the highest tier of the SEFI Citadel at Poseidon. So that's what I'm hoping for. And so here you can click view tickets. So Ethan must have got his 33 in before me. So I must have the next 20 of 34 through 53. And then after that, the 4 I bought later would have been after some other orders. And so sure enough, then I have 226 through 229. As you sell and buy these, it will automatically sell the lowest numbers. So you can't be like, oh, I'll sell 227, I'll sell 229. If you guys want to set that up OTC, that's fine. But for all intents and purposes, these are fungible, non-fungible tokens, which is kind of interesting. They do have artwork as well. We have the revealed logo on the actual NFTs, but you can only really see that if you put it on Stash. And if you see them on Stash, probably don't buy them because they don't have the metric set up so that you can make sure it's not a non-losing ticket. That being said, in real life, I have the first 2 ever actual auction tickets. So if and when they lose, I still think they have value. I'm not selling them, though.
All right. Who has ticket 69? I'll fight you for it.
All right. So we've dropped a link to the Discord. If you join the Discord, we can walk through and set live price actions and whatnot. In the reveals channel, that we have a bot set up so that every time a reveal takes place, it'll let us know what the new what the new expected value is. It'll let us know how many tickets are remaining, how many got the boot, and so yeah, should be active.
Let's get it.
Benji, you got anything for me?
Oh, well, I'm now got organized. I've got my ticket. I've got my tabs set up. I can see the stream, so I can see you guys. I'm good to go. And I've just been handed my tea because it's like 8:15 p.m. over here. So it's like,
again,
yeah,
offensively British.
Oh, it gets confusing because we have the word tea, which is used for the drink, which of course you guys always hear me talk about, needing a new mug of tea, but also the meal of the evening. I also know it as the word tea as well. So you have lunch at like noon, and then early evening we have tea, or some people call it dinner. I think that's more of a northern thing though.
Yeah, we call it dinner too. It's called supper here or dinner. Yeah.
Right, got you. So I'm kind of going to like phase in and phase out because there's a lovely chicken Kiev sat in front of me. Sorry for those vegetarian and vegan people out there, but hey, chicken's all good.
Yeah, I'm sorry for him too, Ethan.
Yeah, I know, right?
All right, so we have gotten to the first stage. The pre-sale has ended. Now we are 12 hours away, if you're doing this in real life on Monday, from the overall reveal. But here in this testnet, we're 3 minutes away from reveal 1, where 20% of the tickets will lose. And who all loaded up? Because I only have 24 tickets.
Who's buying tickets? What's going on here? 1,327,000 SEFI? Jesus.
Yep.
I mean, I'm so loaded right now.
Yeah.
I'm like acting as though it's real life. So yeah, I'm a millionaire.
Do you have this many tickets in real life?
Oh, I so wish. I have this kind of bag of SEFI. Oh, snap.
So as we view our tickets, also, as some of them lose, it's going to keep showing the active ones first, but you can always scroll through. It's just easier that way when you have, like, I don't know, hundreds and hundreds of tickets like Benji here does, because he's really compensating for losing over and over again on testnet.
Yeah, right. Oh, I just, yeah.
He is never going to financially recover.
What can I say?
And so right now here on testnet, you'll see that you can start minting these next raffle tickets, which we're not going to do right now because then it sets up a little bit of a glitch just because we artificially sped it up so that it'll work for the show. But that's also how it's going to work on mainnet, where once the actual raffle started, you can mint the next ones, but you'll have, again, 7 days to mint them. And there will never be overlap. There will only be one raffle live at any given time.
I like it.
Guys, ready for the first reveal? It's going down in 1 minute. Fabio, what are your thoughts?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think Benji will lose every ticket.
He had to have over 20. He needed more than 20% of the tickets just so he could just so he could survive the first reveal.
Yes.
I am going
and
to be
he
the
will
champion.
sell the mini ticket to me.
Oh, we have a question in the chat, boys. How does Stash interact with Revealed Network and know which tickets are nullified? So Stash doesn't interact with Revealed Network on its own. You could theoretically sell a revealed ticket on Stash. However, it's probably going to be a dead ticket. And if you do sell a dead ticket, there's like a little picture on it that, says like void ticket or whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, you could theoretically, but I would not purchase them on Stash. I would only purchase them through OTC through the interface provided on the revealed.network website. That's a great question, though.
Yeah, excellent question, Whiskey Dave. And again, we have the built-in secondary market, which we'll be showing you guys here in just a bit. So, has the first reveal happened yet?
Survey
12:20
says
my time.
view tickets.
Yes. So now you'll see that it is up. The expected value of the tickets is up 24.9%. So your tickets are worth 1.249x, but I only have 21 active tickets. So I had 24 to start. 3 of my tickets have lost as we've gone down from 100% of the minted tickets, 1327, to only 1,026 left. So that should end up being 20%, which have been cut in this first giveaway, which if you look at the documentation, again, we use round numbers. 1,000 drops to 800 tickets, which boosts the expected value from 1,000 to 1,250, about 25% higher. If there's a rounding, it will round up. So if it's supposed to burn like 24.2 tickets, it'll only burn 24 tickets or reveal them. So let's look now. I still have 34, 35, but 36 and 38 must have lost. And yeah, we could just hear here. 36, 38, and 53 all lost. So I only have 21 left, but now they're worth more. So I feel bad that I lost a couple tickets. I'm going to try to put in a new buy order. So I'm going to try to buy some tickets. It'll show right here that the expected value is $12.49, but I'm going to put a buy order in under that because I'm an advantage player, and I'm like, hey, if you guys want to cash out on that 20% you've gained just by surviving 3 minutes, go for it. But I'll put a buy order in at like 1,180. Oh, that's how many tickets. I'll try to buy 3 tickets back. What am I doing? 3 tickets back at 1,180. So it'll lock up this much SEFI, enough for all 3 orders. And you can only have 1 active buy order at any given time. So if the next reveal happens and the value goes back up, I'll have to cancel that and put another buy order in, or hope somebody foolishly sells to me. So any of you guys want to sell me some tickets?
Well, I'm just looking at doing that now, given that I've got quite a good bag. So I thought I'd be rather charitable and perhaps sell 1 or 2. Is there a maximum amount of tickets? Indeed. Is there a maximum amount of tickets that one can sell?
You can only sell as many tickets as there are buy orders for. So if I go here to sell tickets, if I type in 5, so I'm pressing the number 5 and it's showing up as 3 because I have the only buy order in. And so 3 is the most you could sell. But if somebody else puts a buy order in lower than me, it'll sell the first 3 at the top buy order and then 2 more into the next buy order.
Oh,
and in general, I know that I personally am going to be pretty heavily involved in secondaries. But I can even sell to myself if you want. But I'll sell to you guys later.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool because I'm typing in the user interface. I was trying to go, okay, I'll make 10 available to market kind of thing. And it's readjusting it to 3. So that's the indicator that tells me that there's currently 3 tickets up for the possibility to sell. Great.
I got a question here from Jonah. It'd be cool if we could make an easy burn option for the loser tickets so we can write them off. Can we write them off for tax purposes? No, that would be cool, but that's also why we codified it so that the losing tickets will show up at the back end of them. I mean, technically you still own them. People can buy them. We might make something eventually in the future where so many losing NFTs you could trade in for something. So there's lots that can be done here, and you do own them. Do what you want with them. All right. So the next reveal has happened. I lost 5 more tickets. I am getting destroyed, guys. Ooh. So I had 21 tickets, and now I only have 16 active tickets, but the 6 I have are worth about 1,500, a bit over 1,500 SEFI instead of the 1,000 I purchased them with. So here in the user interface, when you look at your tickets, it'll show the current value. The way this current value is described, they go over it in the docs, but it is the overall supply, or like the overall prize pool, divided by the number of remaining tickets. So as the number of remaining tickets goes down, the expected value goes up. And eventually, there will just be 1 ticket left, winning 1.3 million testnet SEFI.
I've just put 3 onto the market for whoever wants to snap them up quickly.
And guys, we have one more guest trying to jump in here. Maybe he could get in on secondaries. If you guys have seen the darker side of the podcast, I've been on as a guest a couple times. Fantastic, wonderfully produced show. They've been doing a lot of content about secret swap, SEFI. They give out alter accounts and have had Jackal on. Wonderful, wonderful show. We've got Scott Potagil from the darker side of the podcast. Scott, welcome, bro.
Appreciate you getting me late.
Thanks for hopping on, man. So you missed the opportunity to mint with us, but you can try to buy our testnet tickets from us if we're not diamond holders. You can try to buy them in secondary markets. So let's get you caught up, bro.
All right.
Joe, can you send Scott some of the links? Scott, we're going to have to go here. So I'm sharing my screen right now. We're going to have to go here to the testnet version, the testnet page, where there's a live raffle going on. And you're going to have to connect your wallet. You're going to have to go to the testnet faucet to get some testnet secret. And then I will send you some testnet SEFI once you drop me your testnet address, and you can get involved here trying to play. You already have some actual tickets in real life, right?
Yeah. And we're gonna be and we're gonna be burning them up in Mount Doom because I just think that's hilarious, man. I want it to be a winner and drop it in there. We talked about that on the live stream or my last live stream. I think that'd be funny, dude. And look, 1 for 1, I'll do it with you. All right, we'll just drop them in.
I love it. I'm totally down. I have the first ever 2 tickets, so maybe I'll send one of them. Right now, we can only send tickets to each other using the CLI. I mean, I could do it. All right.
So let me get caught up.
All right. Yeah, we'll get you caught up, and then why don't Ethan or somebody? Why don't you guys put in a buy order, and I'm gonna walk people through selling tickets because I'm trying to cash out before I lose all of them. I did pretty well in this last reveal. Again, the first 10 reveals, 20% of the tickets go down each, which now we've gotten through 3 of them, and we're already down to 680 tickets. So it goes down pretty quickly, which means our tickets have almost doubled in value, those that have survived. And I did pretty well this last reveal.
There's already buy orders there. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm going to put in it says no available buy orders. Let me refresh here real quick. Wrong reveal. Sorry. This raffle, I'm going to sell some tickets. It says no available buy orders.
Someone bought.
Benji.
I just sold some. I've not bought any.
Okay, I'm trying to sell some while I'm sharing my screen here, Benji.
This sounds like a Fabio move to me, although Ethan's looking rather dapper at the moment, so maybe he's the sly dog that's sat in the background just scooping these up. I'm not sure.
About that.
Whiskey Dave, we got your question. So you can't send them to Mount Doom? You can, but right now you have to use the client line interface, which means like you're using the terminal to send them. It's not like easy built in the UI. Like on Stash, you could be like, oh, transfer NFT, we don't have that built in yet. Don't get me wrong. We're still going to do it. All right. Are there any buy orders in place yet?
Yeah.
All right. So I can sell 1 ticket for 1,853 SEFI. The reason it shows a minimum total cash out is because in case multiple people sell at one time, we put a stopgap to make sure that if multiple people sell at the same time, that you don't just cascade and mint and sell one for 1,000 SEFI when it's worth 3, you know. And how many can I sell 3 for? Okay, so there's enough liquidity right there. I'll go ahead and cash out 3, and I'll get 5,700 SEFI back. And I hope all 3 of them lose in the next reveal.
Yeah.
I've just sold 5.
Benji, you're messing everything up. But
I just sold 5 for 9,500. So like, oh no, it said something went wrong. No buy orders on queue. Oh,
so this is actually a really good thing to show though, because like I said, it shows the minimum cash out value. So in case other people do what Benji just did to me live on air, it will put a stopgap in, and it won't sell your tickets for far less than they're worth. And so that's what would have happened here
on the faucet.
Nice.
I'm sorry, Scott. Are you a robot?
I am not, but I have to keep telling it.
Scott the Terminator.
Anyways, I'm gonna try to sell them again if there are any buy orders in. So I'll sell 2, and now I'm expected to sell them for about $14.50 per ticket, which is a lot less than they're worth. But I'll walk you guys through the process. So sell, I have to pay a little bit of gas, and then you can tell right over here that you're getting the C5 back, unless Benji sold again.
No, I have not been able to sell so far.
I executed a sell order successfully, and we have now gotten through Reveal 4. The tickets that are remaining, which 544 out of 1327 are left. And if we view our tickets, so all of my early ones I've either lost or have sold. But got quite a few holding on strong. Look at all my little lost tickets.
Man.
Yay!
Poor guys.
I just sold 3
some more.
tickets for like $6,000. So if that was real non-testnet, I would have made like doubled my money. Wow.
All right, so they're worth $24.39 each. I'm gonna try to buy 10 more at $2,200 each. I think that's a fair deal. And again, you guys can hop in the Discord, go in the price discussion chat, hop in the war room, play rock, paper, scissors over, whatever you guys want to do. But you can only really sell if the buy orders are there. And I'm going to be putting in a lot of buy orders, guys, because anytime you're buying under the expected value, long term, you're expected to make profit. Thank you, Joe.
Yeah, it's the beauty of it, really, because you can come in early, and provided that you don't lose all your tickets, you can definitely make profits, like all the way along. Just keep selling. You know, it's really quite clever.
So, Scott, as somebody who didn't work on designing this, how do you feel about the user interface in this game overall? What are your initial thoughts?
It's Kepler. So one of the nice things about Kepler is that it's hard to mess it up. So yeah, this is the very first time I'm seeing it, and it makes very easy sense. So I get it.
Awesome. Very cool. So you have some testnet secret by now. Do you have any testnet SEFI?
I do not have any testnet SEFI.
Okay, here on the Restream private chat, go ahead and drop your testnet address, and I'll send you some SEFI, so you can get some skin in the game.
Yeah, 1 second here. I got the. I need the testnet address to stand by. Or are you going to pull that off from my secret address?
No. So if you've been using the faucet to get the testnet secret, it's the same one.
All right.
Oh, down to 436. Are any of you guys selling me some tickets? I have my buy order in. So I'm on the feed channel. If I go over here to orders, it will show my active orders and my previous orders. So here I've so I've bought a couple here because again I put in a buy order for 10. People sold 3 of them to me, and it'll just leave that order active and lower the ticket amount left. I've sold 3 I bought 3 at 11.80 earlier, and I went ahead and sold some at this price. So very cool.
Oh man, ticket 69 just lost.
Oh no! That's
no!
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, Scott, I'm sending you some CFI.
All right.
1 second. 4 million.
My goodness.
Oh, wow. Somebody's putting a big order.
Really? So now, guys, I'm going to refresh my page, and you'll see the live change in the amount of CFI I have here in this wallet. So I went from 9+ million to 5+ million because I just sent some. Because you send them the same way you do on the regular net.
Oh, and look at me, 4 million. I'm rich.
Yeah, you are.
So somebody put in an order for at least 99.
Really?
You're
telling me I need to sell some tickets, huh?
Well, I'm going to sell some right now. Yay! You executed a sell order successfully.
I don't have that many tickets. I only have 9 tickets. L7. Ooh. I mean, it's not at a very high price, which means that you must have sold through my order. Haha.
Oh,
I now have more tickets. Yes, sir.
But I can't specify how much I can sell. 4. Is that right? No, it works out how much it wants to sell them for.
It's a buyer's market.
Current round, right? It's a buyer's market. Okay.
One thing that's cool about doing this on Secret Network, again, we didn't need to leverage privacy, but there's always cool things involved in it, is that the order book's actually private. So you can see how much you're going to sell for, but you don't know who has the bid in or how high their bid is.
Right.
So I might need to do some reverse engineering to kind of work on it, but we did like the idea of keeping it pretty private. So Malcolm, thank you. I see your comments about having a simple and cool UI. Awesome. It should be a pretty simple game that just hasn't been done before. So we thought it up. We're like, this would be dope, and I want to play it, so let's build it out so I can play. Be the change you want to see in the world is what I'm saying.
It's really difficult.
Wait a minute,
when you're building a game.
Say that again.
Be the change that's going to cost you all your money in the world.
God, man, the only thing you're missing is a turtleneck, dude.
Yeah, it's really difficult creating games that you then yourself become addicted to. It's like, and then no work can be done because you're playing the game.
Yeah, everyone knows I'm a degen gambler. And so I this game, the lottery, things that are going to be like plus or zero EV, like long term, you really shouldn't be losing money in this game. Now, don't get me wrong, I'll find a way to. But if I am, it definitively means that you guys are making money. So,
Right.
all right, only 349 left. Our tickets that are remaining are worth almost 4 times the initial value. So if you're just buying one ticket and you're holding on to it, if it makes it this far, you have come up. You have come up substantially.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So this ticket that was bought for 1,000 SEFI, and this is reveal 6. So by this time in the real game, you're about 3 days in. So if you paid 1,000 SEFI and you waited 3 days and you're still alive, your ticket's now worth 3,800 SEFI. Like that's an awesome come up. 380% returns. And so I'm tempted to sell.
You're sort of worried at that point because it's like, do I sell? Do I buy? Do I hold? You know, if I hold and it doesn't go into a losing ticket, it's going to be worth even more money. But if I take the risk and I wait, I could lose.
Yep.
Yeah, and especially because every single time it's like, well, I mean, I've got an 80% chance of making it through. These first 10 reveals, only 20% rounded down of these tickets are revealed to be losers. So you're probably going to make it through each one. But as you start stacking those, it's like, how far do I want to risk it? And that's up to you.
So
You have
real
all
excitement.
the
It's going to
control.
get the emotions really flowing.
Hey, Scott, have you been able to put a buy order in yet?
Oh no, I'm just enjoying this. I will put in a buy order, Eric. I want to play your game.
I'm going to sell you one ticket, and it is going to be shown a loser right away. Assuming the buyer's market isn't higher. Thank you,
Wow,
Whiskey Dave.
somebody's-
Yeah, I mean, I'm expecting that my expectation coming into this is that the secondary market will probably be putting buy orders in under EV. But if it's really competitive, it could be higher, especially as it gets close to the end. So we'll see, and I'll be right there with you guys in the Discord, both buying and selling.
I've got to the point where I've lost quite a lot of tickets now.
Good.
Many
I-
losers.
My
Oh.
expectation is Benji, who had over 50% of the tickets coming in, will have all of his tickets lost by Reveal 13.
I've definitely lost 50% of my tickets at this point. That's
Well,
so sad.
You should have. I mean, only 1 over 3.8 of the tickets are remaining. And I have 14 of them, so I've done pretty well in the last couple of reveals. I am killing it. Fabio, I really do love how you structured the view tickets, so you see specifically the ones that are selective first.
There, I have a buy. I have a buy order in.
Scott, I'm going to sell you some tickets unless you're lowballing me. One C5 for 35,000.
Almost
wow.
like it's your money and not my money.
I love it.
I can currently sell 5 tickets for 175,000 CFI.
Oh no, something went wrong. You guys sold too fast.
Did
You guys
Really?
That's the disadvantage of sharing my screens. You guys are all front running me.
That's what you get. Should have used Secret Swap.
That's the error when basically when there is a reveal at the same time that you are selling tickets, you get that error because you are trying to sell tickets that are losers.
Thank you so much. Okay, so what Fabio's explaining right now is as I was trying to sell, a reveal took place, and so some of the tickets I was trying to sell showed up to be losers. So I really tried to sell them to Scott right before they became losers, but as we have 3-minute reveals right now, it's going to be a little bit tough. When it's actually 12 hours, it's pretty easy to know when the reveal is going to be taking place. But that's an awesome and safe stopgap, so you can't try to sell the tickets right at that time, hoping that, like, in order to make sure that your losers, you can still sell for a profit. So excellent job, Fabio. Okay,
So,
10 of my tickets survived that reveal. I'm going to sell 2 for 70,000.
I managed to net 170,000 there with 5 tickets. That's amazing.
You've sold through all the buy orders. Well, Scott, you got your tickets. They weren't from me.
I've collected 5 tickets.
Okay.
I have recouped all of my losses. In fact, on secondary markets, I have made almost the jackpot, boys. So you guys are just going buck wild on this shit. I'm good. I mean,
Scott's putting in some pretty high buy orders. I like it. It's because he knows he's getting the winner from you. And
you know what, man? I wanted to come down to 1 or 2 tickets, and let's take the test tickets over to Mount Doom.
We
One of
need
them
we need a
billion,
test
baby.
Mount Doom.
Is there a test Mount Doom?
I'm sure there is.
No,
Probably,
I mean,
yeah.
call Steve. He'd set that up. He'd get a kick out of this.
Yeah. Whiskey Dave got 5 million CFI could potentially get people hopping on the secondary market. Absolutely. I mean, you get close to the end. If there are 3 tickets left and you know the winner's going to win 5 million CFI, or currently what would that be, like 300 grand? It's like, oh, do I hold on and try to win 300 grand, or do I sell my ticket right now for $80,000 and cash out? I mean, part of
Wow.
my influence behind this kind of the overall design of this game was Deal or No Deal, where you open the briefcases and you see like, oh man, do I take this deal? Do I not? And just no matter what you do, you end up with regret. And really, that's my goal here. I'm just trying to wreck lives.
No matter what you do, you end up with regret.
If any of you guys are here in the chat because you know we're giving away 5,000 CFI here, then that is okay because we have that from Revealed Network. And yes, we do have a list of the first 5 winners from their 10,000 CFI giveaway. JM, yes, this is absolutely going to be addicting.
Yeah, no,
I am
for
already
sure.
addicted. I was addicted before we started developing this because I love it. It makes so much sense. I mean, I love gambling games that do have house edge. I love trying to beat them. This is way easier because there's no stupid casino trying to take your money.
We were addicted from the first testnet run. We were
Yeah.
having a blast.
Oh,
Yeah, but
I'm ready to Howie Mandel this. I will put it on my stream. I will get up. Oh man, I'd have
Isn't
so much fun with this.
Isn't it great?
Yeah,
I would
it,
just
it
have
really
a
is
ball.
quite addictive, to be fair.
And
It
if
looks
you
so simple though, and that's the weird thing. It's so kind of simple, and there's a few knobs and bells here and there. But like once you sort of get to grips with it, it really does. It's one of these things as well that keeps you hooked on the screen because you, at the moment, especially because you're looking for the revealed. I guess when it's 12 hours, you're kind of looking around the 11th hour. I'm sure that's a film.
We're
The
building
11th hour.
JM saying the banker's calling. I'm nervous. What's your
Yeah,
offer?
right. What's your offer? It's
No,
low ball right now. I just looked.
I absolutely love it, and the drama that's going to be behind this game, especially towards the end, as you're getting early Monday morning, Sunday night, is we've got the every 12 hours reveal, and the percentages get higher, and we're getting close to that time now. We're almost past the 20% one, where it starts getting 25, 30%, 40%, 50%. And that 50% one that's going to be the drastic cut before the final reveal takes place 1 hour before the winning ticket is decided. And so the Discord's going to be hopping. We're going to know who has the last couple tickets if they choose to come out and talk about it. And we'll see how the secondary market reacts. I have no idea. All I know is I'm going to be involved and I'm here for it.
I mean, it's going to be so exciting as well on the Discord to see these people, win some good hearty CFI out of this. I mean, the buzz from that alone is, it's pretty awesome, really.
Yeah, and you guys mentioned this being a simple game in theory. It 100% is. And if you guys follow me on Twitter at Eric Weissenen, I just went on, I think yesterday or today, there's something. People are complaining about Olympus DAO crashing, and I've been saying for the last several months, back when it was at $1,200, $1,300, I'm like, this is a new type of Ponzi. It's overly complicated. The value is the actual value of it is higher than zero. It's a type of Ponzi scheme that hasn't really been seen before. But when you see these games or these metrics that are overly complicated, be nervous. There's a reason they're choosing to make them overly complicated. The kind of things that they're doing can be done, but they should be simple and sustainable. And so we'll, from the Secret Swap side, have some cooler things coming to you guys soon enough. But games like this that are simple and straightforward, you know where you're getting. There's no like, oh, print so many tickets if something and something hits, is much more sustainable.
Right.
I mean, you can play this with a beer in your hand.
Oh, yeah. You don't even need pants.
No.
I even have my little secret code podcast koozie.
Eric isn't even wearing pants.
Oh, right. Nice.
I am wearing an awesome little Moon Cat shirt, though.
Right? Nice. I dig it.
Good vibes, Shane. Good vibes.
We love you guys.
Thanks for being on with us, bro. All right, I'm showing my screen again. We're through reveal 9. So again, the first 10 reveals will cut 20% each round, rounded down. And then it starts stepping up, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50. We linked the docs earlier here in the chat. But I only have 5 tickets left. They're each worth 7,000 CFI. Where do we get koozies? Oh man, give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
I mean, I know this is testnet, but I'm still feeling nervous. How is that even possible?
You guys want koozies? Here's a koozie. Here's a koozie. I'm Digital Oprah here.
Right.
Oh, you need to send me some of those.
Yeah, right.
Oh man.
Oh,
I still
I
need
need
to
some of
send
those in my
Ethan a
life.
SEFI hat soon.
Yeah, what happened there? Huh?
Soon-
yeah. When
soon
see if I
enough.
had.
Soon enough, we will be setting up a store where you can buy merchandise for the podcast, for Secret Swap, for more stuff like that. We will keep you guys linked there, and you guys will be able to get Secret Code Podcast koozies because I
Wonderful.
love them.
Wonderful.
It's lit. What about it?
Rudy, you're joining the giveaway. Yes, if you're following at reveal_network and follow their stipulations of tagging 3 friends, retweeting, and joining the Discord, you are eligible. The first 5 have already been decided and will be shown here on the show as the actual winners of this raffle giveaway. So 180 tickets left. We're getting down to the wire. It's about to step up, boys.
Ooh-wee.
It is about to
Come
step
on,
up
baby.
because
Come
as the
on.
number gets lower and lower, the price per ticket gets higher and higher. We know it ends at 1.3 million. Soon we're going to be in the tens of thousands, and every reveal it escalates hard.
Yep. And we're at 637% the original price of a ticket entry, by the way, right now.
Wow.
We're up 637%.
600.
We're at 7.37 x the original value, and so I'm pulling for ticket 52. That's one of the original 20 I bought. It's the only remaining one of the original 20 I bought.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm nervous, boys.
Yeah.
Scott, how many
me
tickets
too.
do you have left?
How many tickets do I have left? I have. Yeah, man, I'm still figuring this out. This is the very first time that I'm seeing it, so give me a breaker.
No, it's all good. View tickets.
No can do, Scott.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? You're gonna be back on my show, dude. I'm gonna
Yeah.
pull your pants down in front of everybody.
Rudy, we already clarified. I'm not wearing pants. That's the beauty of
Oh, yeah, that's right. You did
You're
disclose it.
Rudy, thank you for always supporting SEFI in secret. Love to have you, bro.
Are you fucking?
All right, so we're now down to 144 tickets, and I have 4 active. I'm going to try to buy some more because I'm nervous. So I'll buy 4 more tickets. They're worth 9,215 CFI each at this point. I'll put in a buy order at 9,000. Oh, gosh.
You see,
Okay.
this is the thing.
I swear there were
with
just
the
1,000
testnet.
tickets.
Yeah, here's the thing with
Here's
the
the thing,
testnet
boys.
versus live play.
All right.
If it's
I
live
would just-
play, you want to sell, but because it's testnet, I'm kind of wanting to hodl because I'm like, I don't need to have that pressure of selling, you see.
Right.
But in the
I would just
actual
like to
real
point
game,
out one thing real quick. I have officially cleared more than the jackpot on secondary sales this game.
wow.
I have made more than 1,327,000 CFI selling tickets to you nubs.
That is, oh, man. And I know that money
so
came from
insulting.
me.
So I already won. Good game, boys.
I literally have to
go
win
ahead
the
and reveal.
jackpot to recoup the money I've put into this already. But this is what we're saying. Like, you can literally make money on this game and never make it to the last couple rounds of the reveal. If you hold on long enough, if you buy at low prices, sell at high prices, like, this is like more than just the jackpot winner can make money on this game.
Yeah, somebody's still going to get that jackpot, and I've made about $1.5 million CFI merching this stuff. That's how much money we're talking about here. Like, people can just throw this around buck wild through every round, man. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy.
Ethan, we've got a question that I think is applicable for you about Secret Swap. Rudy is asking, can we list 1 to 3 killer features of this project, SEFI? What are some cool things for SEFI?
So the first thing about SEFI that you should know is it gives you access to the world's first private on-chain voting DAO. There is not another DAO in the world that beat us to that. We have the first voting system that is 100% private, meaning that the votes that you cast in our governance system are 100% between you and God. We can't tell who voted what or when. And it's all private.
And then how about the Infinity Pool coming out? What's that about?
The Infinity Pool will provide a large basket of rewards for simply staking SEFI. So you'll stake your SEFI into our Infinity Pool and lock in for a period of about 10 days. And you will earn SEFI as in traditional SEFI staking. And you'll also earn tokens like Alter, Jackal, etc. All the partner projects that we have planned, and then some will be added to that basket. So you'll be earning a whole host of rewards simply for staking SEFI and participating in governance. And that's something that's also unique to Secret Swap and hasn't existed elsewhere prior to now, to my knowledge, is a governance incentive program that actually incentivizes people with diversification to participate.
Yep. And so Alter specifically is not doing an airdrop. They're doing a pre-sale. So they did private rounds. They're doing a public sale. But if you didn't get an airdrop, if you missed out on the sale rounds, you can buy it at market. Or if you have SEFI, you can stake SEFI, and that's the way you can earn Alter. They actually listed their token address for the first time today, the contract address for the token. So my wallet already shows 0 Alter, but that number will be changing pretty soon.
Also, if I were to give a third thing, I would say that we have 3 times the liquidity of the nearest competitor on the network. So definitely very liquid, very easy place to trade. Come check us out.
Cool. People are asking if we're still in. Well, let's find out. I have 4 active tickets left. I'm getting nervous. Most of mine have lost, but I'm holding on strong. There are only 108 tickets left out of the initial 1,327.
You know what's funny? One of those is mine. How funny would that be if my one ticket also won the jackpot?
I have 8 tickets, so people have sold to me. So I'm checking the orders page. People, remember, I put in a buy order for 4 tickets at 9,000 SEFI each, and now I can see that it is completed. So you can check the order page, and you can keep track of your involvement in secondary markets, which is awesome. But now I have 8 tickets instead of 4, so I'm feeling pretty good about my chances of winning, and as always, great about Benji's chances of losing.
Oh yeah.
Well, I've still got quite a few tickets at the moment, so I'm holding my breath.
So, Scott, if you look here, refresh the page, come to the original one, click on Raffle 2. It should show how many active tickets we have. Here it says I have 8 active tickets.
Yeah, I have 0.
Oh, are you going to try to buy any?
Yeah, I still got more of your money. I'll tell you what, dude. If you win, I'm calling shenanigans. Oh no, I'm sorry. I have 19 active tickets left.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, that is a lot.
Oh, that's
I
deep
bought a lot,
competition
dude. I
to me.
spent all your money.
Okay. Would you like to sell me some?
Nope.
Oh, Scott's in it to win it, boys.
Well, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what, man. When this thing goes long, dude, I'm gonna hold them over Mount Doom and say, you know what? I don't care what the market says. This is what they're worth to me. So,
and if we burn live tickets and they happen to win, then I mean that SEFI is locked up forever. It's not.
We talked about this, dude. That is awesome.
But yeah,
awesome.
the winning ticket. Once you win, you have to go and manually claim the rewards, and nobody will be able to.
I know that's great. Yeah, that is
just
wonderful.
insane.
We're supporting the Button Group. Come on, man.
Yeah, I'm saying Scott really wants to take a trip to Mount Doom. It's very festive this time of year. They have a wonderful gallery they're accumulating of NFTs, and I'm sure some secret dogs will join them soon enough.
Oh snap!
We're at Reveal 12, down to 76 tickets. So at this point, let's pull up the documentation again. Give me 1 second. But yeah, at this point, the percentages revealed go up. It was 20% for the original 10, and now it's going up each step of the way. So
I have 14 active tickets.
So 5 of them just died.
Yeah. So
I got the docs back up here, and we pull up their little ticket. So the first 10 were at 20, and we got 25, 30. We have Reveal 13 coming up next, right? The next reveal will be Reveal 13, and so 40% of the remaining tickets are about to be burnt or about to be shown to be losers.
Nice.
No.
I'm nervous, guys.
I like it. Me too.
40%. That's one thing to be really like, I've got an 80% chance of surviving. Now I've got a 60% chance of surviving. Like, you've come this far, and you're just going to lose it all, Scott.
What I don't understand is how can you be nervous when you're playing with testnet tokens? This is insane. I'm feeling these motions right now, and it's like when it's real money, I'm just going to be just out of my mind. Oh.
Kristen is saying that, I believe this is about you, Scott. I think she's a fan of your show as well, that you have an unhealthy fascination with Mount Doom. It may be unhealthy, but it's 100% warranted.
I think it is a wonderful thing. I just want to be in Steve's head when he built this. He said, "You know what? Gonna give you a doomsday device."
Yeah,
And it's for people like me.
It's like a third grade science project. Like, oh, I'm making a little volcano, pouring some baking soda and everything. He's like, oh, these NFTs are cool. They're gonna die.
I'm just gonna dangle it right over there. I even got the music set up. My stream deck's ready. This is gonna be awesome.
It's a great name too, isn't it? Mount Doom.
I'm pulling up a calculator here for you guys. So right now there are 76 tickets left, and we're about to lose 40. So I'm gonna multiply that by 0.6. So we're about to be down to, again, it rounds up. So instead of 45.6, there will only be 46 tickets left. So 30 of the 76 are about to burn, which means that this expected value of right now 17,000 CFI per ticket is about to skyrocket over 30,000 ticket if we survive this next reveal. So I only have 4 tickets left right now, but if at least 3 of them make the cut, then I'm gonna be doing pretty well.
I have 1 active ticket still.
Oh gosh. So the reveal just happened. I'm gonna refresh and see if it shows up real quick. I'm nervous. Yep, 46 tickets left, so the math checks out, almost like it's coded. And yeah, they're worth, oh my god, they're worth over almost 29,000 CFI per ticket. And yeah, 3 of mine made it. 52. I told you guys I was gonna win.
It's not.
No.
There's no way, dude. I will so call shenanigans.
My odds are greater.
No
My odds
way.
are greater than that. You can't win
Yeah.
this, Eric. Not a
You can
chance.
shovel off. Yeah.
So the random number generator we use is actually just me typing in whatever ticket I have.
This is the trade secrets, you know.
Fabio, how many tickets do you still have?
21.
Oh,
yeah.
snap. Oh, no.
Benji, how many do you have? Like 2?
I'm not saying shit.
I'm not saying shit.
Hi guys, I'm Benji. I drink tea and cuss on live streams. Whiskey Dave is telling us we need to sell some of these tickets.
I already did, dude.
I only have 3 left. I'm gonna win, you guys. You don't understand. I have to win. I need this.
No.
For the right price, I will sell some.
So
Ever the entrepreneur.
the expected value is 28,000 per. I'll put in 24,420. And I'll try to buy 2 of them for you at this price. I can't afford this many more, guys. I've been pumping money into these tickets in secondary. If I lose, I will have lost way more than I ever spent on the minting. And realistically, that's going to happen to me in real life too. But luckily, I have a lot of CFI, and I'm ready to lose all of it to those of you guys who are better at this game than me.
Whew.
All right. So again, reveal 14. 50% of the tickets will go down. So this 46 we have is about to be cut to 23. And in the real game, this will happen, depending on where you are, it should be Monday, 1 hour before the final reveal. So it's 12 hours, 12 hours, 12 hours until reveal 13 happens. And then 11 hours after reveal 13 is reveal 14. And 1 hour later is the finale. And so this is going to be some real drama happening early next week. And it's happened. We're down to 23 tickets. So I'm going to scroll up. I'm nervous. I had 3 tickets coming into this, but 40% of them just got cut, or 50% of them just got cut. Oh, and 2 of mine out of 3, 2 of mine lost. Is 52 left?
Oh.
No, 52 is out.
Fabio's got to be in a good run here.
I have 7 right now.
Oh, neck and
So you
neck
got-
with Fabio. Yes.
Scott, how many tickets do you have? 5?
Ooh,
Oh,
5,
you're-
7, and 7.
You are doing great right now, bud. I'm looking at my buy orders. Sure enough, I was able to buy the 2 at this price, and they just immediately lost. So whoever sold them to me, fantastic job. Jerks. Guys, you have one last
Probably me.
chance. I'm willing to buy 4 more tickets at 50,000 CFI each. Again,
Oh, you
they're
can
worth
see it.
Yeah,
Get out of
7,695.
here.
You can see
200,000
Yeah.
CFI. I need
Nope.
this.
Nope. I'll sell you 2 for 80 apiece.
80 apiece? They're
Yep.
only worth 57.
Nope. To me, they're worth 80.
Oh.
See how this game works?
Yeah, here we go. Oh, Scott's quick. He's got the hang of this now.
Right? He
Calling
came in
us
swinging.
nubs.
Came in
Yeah.
swinging.
Calling us
Oh,
nubs.
man.
Come on, dude. I want to be on the masthead of SEFI.
Oh, we're gonna have to meet in the Discord war room right now and
Yeah.
and hash this out. I might take it down to rock, paper, scissors or whatnot and like put a buy order in for like 60,000. So again, I cannot create a new buy order because I already have an active one. If I want to adhere to this terrorist, I'm going to have to cancel, which you have to do on the blockchain.
Babe, I didn't build the game. You built the game.
Yeah, and I regret it already.
And you
I will try to buy
man. You didn't
2
have to-
tickets at 76,000. We're negotiating now.
Nah. I'm all right. I'll wait for the reveal.
I'm putting in the buy order. I mean, the ball is in your court, Kobe.
How do you know if you won, by the way? Does something actually like come across your screen like, hey, you're the winning ticket?
If you
I'll tell
don't
you.
know, you're never gonna know because you're never gonna
I'll
win
tell
anything.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, you'll tell me
23
what
tickets
happens,
left.
right?
What's going to happen is it's either gonna say, "Oh dang, all your tickets lost," like it's gonna happen for Benji, or it's gonna say, like it's gonna show on our screen, "Congratulations, you have the winning ticket. Claim here." And that is going to happen in a couple seconds, guys. And I'm shaking on my boots, guys. In the comments, those of you watching the live stream, who do you think is gonna win? Is it my one lucky ticket?
It's got to be me. It's got to be. Please come to me. Come to me.
As
Come
long
on.
as it's not Benji, I think it's a win here.
Yeah.
It's over. So let's find out, boys.
It's
Is
finished.
it over? It's
Yeah.
finished.
No!
Okay.
My one
Let me have a
ticket
look.
did not win. However,
Let me
I
have a look.
cleared more than the jackpot. So joke's on you, losers.
No, it
Oh.
was Benji.
No.
Oh
Was
my
it?
God.
Was it? Was it really?
No way.
Roll up,
Oh,
find out.
yes. it
Oh my
was.
God. Hell hath frozen over.
Get
Ben-
in. Oh,
Benji,
my
can you
days.
share your screen so that we can see what it would have looked like?
Hide your
Of
I
porn.
can share my screen.
Hide your
Let
porn.
me work out how to do it
Right.
now. Hide your porn.
The first ever time Benji's
yeah.
ever won out of the like hundreds
Wow.
of testnet rounds we've done
This is
is on our
historical.
live stream.
This
Remember,
is
he bought like 600 tickets, but congratulations. All of my tickets lost. I can scroll through all of my losing tickets. I can't even calculate how much SEFI I have poured into this game. I am never going to financially recover from this.
Cheers to you, mate.
There you go.
I'm going to
Ugh.
drive across the Atlantic Ocean over to Benji.
You're gonna drive.
I'm going to
There it
drive all
is.
the way there. So this is what it will show like. Congratulations, you have the winning ticket. Go ahead and claim your award, you jerk.
So I go over to here and I claim my rewards. Okay. Lovely. Oh, this feels so nice. I was so nervous. Ooh.
Whiskey
Oh,
Dave is
wow.
saying this is bad. I was excited just watching.
Oof.
Dude,
It's fun.
seriously, this raffle is going to be fun and it's never going away, which means that I now have a new hobby
Yay.
that is going to take way too much time and money from me.
Look at that, baby.
Yeah, it's
You
perpetual every week.
successfully claimed the reward. I'm still nervous. I won and I'm still feeling the anxiety in my stomach. I mean, what the hell? That's just crazy insane.
Oh man. Excellent
Wow.
round, you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Now, for those of you who have sat here waiting, like, oh man, did I win the giveaway though? Like, what about the real non-testnet SEFI? I mean, if you're into that kind of thing, the
You're into
first
that.
5 winners who have followed by the rules, who have won via our random number generator, are Charlotte Baxter at Charlie Love Life, Secret Keeper, good old fan, big fan of Secret Keeper. They run their own node, so at Secret Keeper node.
Nice.
Natalia at Natika1980, Dizzle, one of the OG rabbits on the on the rabbit NFTs at Dizzle Social, and Jordan JXR50 from Xavier Capital. Love Jordan. I'm gonna have to give him crap for winning this, but congratulations. And actually, Ethan, doing the random number generator, one of the ones that should have won was actually the Secret Swap Twitter page.
Oh, really? That's
But-
funny.
They didn't actually join the Discord, so they were not able to win.
I mean, I'm in the Discord. Does that count?
Ticket number 1165 is the winner. So we will be reaching out to those 5 winners, and we will include you guys in a tweet. And the Reveal_Network Twitter page will be giving out the other 5 over the next couple days. Thank you guys so much for your involvement and engagement in that tweet. Let's get some closing thoughts. Obviously, we went through the round. That was kind of the purpose here. But Scott, what were your thoughts?
I thought I had it, man. I think I gave away 150,000 secret by not because you lowballed me. So it worked out well for both of you. And I'm just saying, next time you're on the show, I'm gonna remember.
Dude, if you would have sold them for 50,000 each, I would have lost another 100,000 CFI, and it would have been yours. They were
Hey, it
losing
was
tickets.
fair, all right, it was fair. I plead the game, man.
Ethan, what are your thoughts, bro?
I made a great deal of money. It's fake money.
Yeah.
But,
You lost the
I came out-
raffle and you still made a bunch of money.
I
Is the
made more
winning
than-
ticket
I didn't lose the raffle. I made more than the raffle. So
what we should have tracked is the winning ticket one that he bought secondhand from you or one that he minted? Because it's possible that you sold the ticket to him that it ended up winning.
that'd be funny.
That's a good point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
Benji, what are your thoughts, bro?
Oh, I'm just happy. I mean, I'm a winner. So what can I say? Giving me grief now about losing time with this.
That is awesome. Honestly, the best takeaway. We have been giving him so much crap about being terrible at the raffle. If you guys are in the Telegram or the Discord, we've been giving him some crap there. So we will be dropping links to those here as well. Joe, if you could do that, because we have a Revealed Network Telegram, we have the Twitter, obviously, we have the Discord, and we will be involved in all of them. And the raffle's live right now. So let me share my screen again and take you guys to the live site. I come here. I've got it saved as a bookmark. Revealed.network. Get started with Revealed Network, and you can make that viewing key. And it's just like what the testnet looked like, except now you're playing with real money. So you click that, it makes the viewing key, and then you have to click the key to make a viewing key here. Again, I'm not using my real wallet where I already have the first 2 tickets ever minted. 10 more tickets have been minted during the show, so 167 haven't minted so far. You have until Monday morning my time, or follow this countdown timer to pre-mint. And then we hit the secondaries, boys.
Hey.
Yep.
Fabio, want to
Yeah.
talk to us about what it was like getting involved in this project and how it is seeing it come to fruition and actually launching?
Yeah, it was very nice. A lot of challenges, like all projects. But yeah, it's a very nice take on randomness and expected value, the gambling side of things. We also have the secret lottery, but it will be kind of different from this. But yeah, for the degenerates out there, we will have these 2 applications. Yeah.
Well, now I feel a little bit targeted, but yes, I'm stoked for that as well.
Exactly.
And Fabio is the one who built the SEFI lottery. He's the one that built Revealed Network, and he is also now working with us on Secret Swap. So he's the one that's the primary developer for the Infinity Pool, as we've got. We actually have quite a robust team, and we've got some really cool stuff we're building out. And Fabio, we're so excited to have you on board. Benji, of course, also is our CTO, overseeing a lot of the development going on, while Ethan and I are doing podcasts and partnerships and contracts and a bunch of other cool stuff.
Yep.
So thank you guys for being on board. Now, if you guys have been wondering who is the Secret Swap team, this is 4 of us. Scott, of course, is running the dark side of the podcast. Scott, could you link your channel here?
Yeah.
They've
We
got
haven't co-opted them yet, but I'm still hopeful.
They've got 4,500 subscribers, an awesome live show experience, fantastic production value. I've been honored to be a guest there a couple times, and we're honored to have him come here and lose a bunch of CFI to us.
Right?
Should have taken the deal, man.
And thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be reaching out on Twitter and DMs to get the winners their CFI, and we can't wait to see you guys in the Discord in the War Room.
Great stuff, guys. Good playing with you. I'm a winner.
Thank you.
Yeah.
See you guys.